World Diabetes Day is celebrated every year on November 14. The global prevalence of diabetes has nearly doubled since 1980, rising from 4.7% to 8.5% in the adult population. This reflects an increase in associated risk factors such as being overweight. Diabetes is a major cause of blindness, kidney failure, heart attack, stroke, and lower limb amputation. Healthy diet, physical activity, and avoiding tobacco use can prevent or delay type 2 diabetes. In addition, diabetes can be treated and its consequences avoided or delayed with medication, regular screening, and treatment for complications. World Diabetes Day was created in 1991 by the International Diabetes Foundation and the World Health Organization in response to growing concerns about the escalating health threat posed by diabetes. World Diabetes Day became an official United Nations Day in 2006 with the passage of United Nations Resolution 61/225. It is marked every year on 14 November, which happens to be the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting, who co-discovered insulin along with Charles Best in 1922. World Diabetes Day is the world's largest diabetes awareness campaign, reaching a global audience of over 1 billion people in more than 160 countries. The campaign draws attention to issues of paramount importance to the diabetes world and keeps diabetes firmly in the public and political spotlight. The World Diabetes Day campaign is represented by a blue circle logo that was adopted in 2007 after the passage of the UN resolution on diabetes. The blue circle is the global symbol for diabetes awareness. It signifies the unity of the global diabetes community in response to the diabetes epidemic. So every year, the World Diabetes Day campaign focuses on a dedicated theme that runs for 1 or more years. The theme for World Diabetes Day 2021 to 2023 is access to diabetes care. If not now, when? Millions of people with diabetes around the world do not have access to diabetes care. People with diabetes require ongoing care and support to manage their condition and avoid complications. So we cannot wait any longer for medicine, technology, support and care to be made available to all people with diabetes that require them. So the government needs to increase investment in diabetes care and prevention. United, the global diabetes community has the numbers, the influence and the determination to bring about meaningful change. So it is time we need to take on the challenge. 100 years after its discovery, millions of people with diabetes still cannot access the insulin they need. Many people with diabetes need oral medicines to manage their condition. These remain unavailable or unaffordable in many low and middle income countries. Blood glucose monitoring is a fundamental component of diabetes care. Many people with diabetes do not have access to the equipment and supplies they need. People living with diabetes need ongoing education to manage their condition. People living with or at risk of diabetes need access to healthy food and a place to exercise. Both are fundamental components of diabetes care and prevention. So on this World Diabetes Day, the blue circle is the logo that you should be wearing. The blue circle logo is a global symbol for diabetes awareness. So on this special day, wear a t-shirt, necklace or bracelet with the logo or create one for yourself to make others aware of this dangerous disease and its effects. You can partner with health officials to sponsor a diabetes fair at your place of work or your neighborhood, offer diabetes screenings, disseminate information, and provide information on what people can do to prevent type 2 diabetes and stay healthy. It is estimated that 1 in 2 adults with diabetes is undiagnosed. So on this World Diabetes Day, let it serve as a reminder to get yourself tested if you have any risk factors or symptoms. So before I end this video, let me leave you with why it is so important to celebrate and observe World Diabetes Day.